Hello children. In previous video I have explained kinds of adverb. Now I am going to explain you comparison of adverb. Student, like adjective, adverb can also be used to make comparison. We can say degrees of comparison of adjectives. Of adverbs. Like adjectives, adverb can also be used to make comparisons. There are 3 degrees of comparison in adverbs: positive, comparative and superlative degree. Then how many degrees of comparison? 3. Positive, comparative and superlative degree. Let's see positive degree. When we talk of the activity of one person or thing, we use the positive degree. Means when we talk the activity of one person or thing, then we use the positive degree. It means in positive degree we do not make any comparison, we only tell the activity of any person or thing. In positive degree, like adjective, we do not make any comparison. Like Mary started early. Here we are only just telling about Mary, that her activity that she started early. As you can say here, there's not made any comparison. Mr. Simpson chose wisely. The dancer danced gracefully. How the dancer danced? Gracefully. In all these sentences, there's not made any comparison. We just only talk the activity of person or thing. If we are talking about the activities of person or thing, okay, then in positive degree we do not make any comparison. Next one is the comparative degree. When we compare the activities of two people or thing, we use the comparative degree. Means when we compare the activities of two people or thing, only two people or things, then we use the comparative degree. Like Sonia started earlier than Mary. How many people are here? Sonia and Mary. And we are making a comparison here. Sonia started early than Mary. Who started early? Sonia, then Mary. Mr. Kapoor chose more wisely than Mr. Simpson. Yes, 2 persons are here, Mr. Kapoor and Mr. Simpson. Here we are making the comparison between 2 persons. The second dancer danced more gracefully. The second dancer, it means first and second. There's this comparison between 2 dancers, first and second, and who danced gracefully? The second dancer. It means in comparative degree we make the comparison, or we compare the activities of 2 people or things. Superlative degree. When we compare the activities of 3 or more people, things, we use superlative degree. We can say when we compare more than 2 people or things, then we use superlative degree. Remember, there should be more than 2 people or things. Like Preeti started the earliest among all the friends. Here comparison between the Preeti and all her friends. And he has written friends, it means it's a plural, it means there is a more than 1 and 2. Mr. Singh chose most wisely among everybody else. Here we compare Mr. Singh to everybody else. The everybody else means there are more than 2 people. The third dancer danced most gracefully. Here there is a comparison between the 3 dancers, and who danced the most gracefully? The third dancer. It means in positive degree we do not make any comparison. We simply tell the activities of person or thing, of one person or thing. In comparative degree, we compare the activities of 2 people or things. In superlative degree, we compare the activities of 3 people or more than 3 people or things, or simply we can say more than 2 people or things. Students, here are given the rules to form the comparative and superlative degree. Simply we add er or est, like in comparative degree er, and in superlative degree est, like high, higher, highest, fast, faster, fastest, loud, louder, loudest, near, nearer, nearest. Then study the table to understand the comparison of adverbs. Then we form comparative degree by adding er, and we form the superlative degree by adding est. Next one, adverbs that end in ly or have 3 or more syllables use more for the comparative and most for the superlative degree. Means the adverbs that end ly and have 3 or more syllables, then we use more in comparative and most in superlative. Like gladly, the words that add ly, then more gladly and most gladly. Quietly, more quietly and most quietly. Wisely, more wisely and most wisely. Heavily, more heavily and most heavily. The words that end with ly or have 3 or more syllables, then we add more and most. More in comparative degree, most in superlative degree. So students, some adverbs form the comparative and superlative degree in irregular ways. Means we do not follow this rule. We add er or est and add more and most. They are changed in all forms. Means comparative and superlative degree, they are changed. Some adverbs form the comparative superlative in irregular ways. Let's see, like little, less, less. As you can see, the spelling are changed in all the forms. We have not add er or est and more and most. Much, many, more and most. Badly, worst, worst and worst. Well, better, best. Late, later, latest and last. Far, further, farther, further, farthest and furthest. You have to learn all these comparative and superlative degree. Student, these are the comparison of adverbs. When degrees of comparison we can say. Then how many degrees of comparison are there? 3: positive, comparative and superlative. There are only few rules that you have to change comparative and superlative degree. I hope till here you have understood. Thank you.